This video will show you how to access the settings menu on the Smeg Double Ovens. The dial controls allow you to tailor the appliance to your own personal settings. These include activating or deactivating the child lock, showroom mode, low power or eco-logic mode, keep warm mode, and the eco light. The child lock allows the appliance to lock the controls automatically after 1 minute of normal operation, without any intervention from the user. During normal operation, the child lock is indicated by a key symbol appearing in the display. To release the lock temporarily during cooking, hold the temperature dial down for 5 seconds. 1 minute after the last interaction, the lock will become active again. Showroom mode allows the appliance to deactivate all heating elements whilst the control panel remains live. This is ideal for use in retail showrooms. The keep warm mode allows the appliance to keep cooked food warm at low temperatures for around an hour after cooking finishes, with a cooking cycle for which a duration has been set, unless it has been manually interrupted. And for greater energy savings, the eco light setting causes the internal light automatically to deactivate 1 minute from the start of cooking. To access the settings menu, start by ensuring the oven is switched off and no oven function is selected. Begin by activating the internal light. This is done by rocking the left-hand dial to the right. Press in and hold the same left-hand dial for at least 5 seconds. You are now in the settings menu. Press the left control key until you reach the desired setting you want to change. Rock the dial to switch the setting on or off, and confirm by pressing the same dial. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.